Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm having a look at two different types of ratchet wrenches, ratchet spanners. One is from Parkside and one is from Aldi, Workzone. Now there's pros and cons to both, but we'll have a look at them and see what we think. Now the Aldi ones come in a lot more sizes. It goes from 6, 8, 10, 12, 11, 13, 14, 17, 19 and 21. So it's basically like an offset. You see that there? It's like an offset spanner and it ratchets. It's got quite an industrial feel to it, very chunky, very heavy, and a big industrial switch to flip the direction. So you can use it that way or you can use it that way, whichever one you want. Now I actually do like these for the shape and the way they function, but they're awful to hold. They're terrible. It's just not comfortable at all. Hurts your hands. There's too many edges that just aren't comfortable to push and pull against, especially on such a big one as a 21. It's just not comfortable. And if you hold it at the end there, you've got these things sticking into your hand. Would I buy them again? No, I wouldn't, and I've hardly used them, mainly because they're just not comfortable. They're in the toolbox, but they're definitely not the tool that I'd go to first. Such a shame really. Even if you could get some kind of rubber sleeve over the center so that it wasn't quite as horrible to hold. Even the rivets protrude quite a lot, you know, it's just not a comfortable thing to hold. But then you look at the Parkside ones and yeah, I'd rather have that, but unfortunately the Parkside range is a lot smaller. It only does 8, 10, 13, 14 and 17, so there's quite a few missing that are in this set. I think the sets, they were about the same price. The Parkside one again is ratcheting and it has a little switch on there so you can take it on and off without taking it off the nut. You can use it that way around as well. It is slightly curved, but if you're using it that way you wouldn't be able to see the switch. Not a big deal because you can get it from underneath. Directional arrow on there to say which way, but again pretty useless on the back because you can't see the switch, so you don't know which side it's actually on. If it was like, I suppose you might be able to see just the edge of it, but you know, I can't see that from there, so I wouldn't know which direction this arrow was supposed to be pointing. So downside with these is this does sometimes catch, as you can see, and it's just jamming and pulling the lever unless you push it all the way. You have to push it right to the other side or else it just locks up. Yeah, they're nicely made. Chrome vanadium, like a satin finish. I have used these quite a bit actually. Open end this side, but like I said, still only 5 sizes in that set, whereas there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 sizes in this one. Much prefer these to work with, much more comfortable. These no doubt are very tough, very industrial looking, a lot more size options, but they're just not very comfortable at all. I think they both have the same 12 points inside there. Yep, they're all the same, all 12 point. But they're just not nice to hold. It's a shame really. I was thinking of maybe using some of the sleeving that I have, like I've done with the ratchet handles, just to give it more grip. But you can't get it on over the end here because it's only 15mm. It won't go over there. Otherwise I'd put a piece of tubing on there and at least make it a little bit more comfortable. This tiny one is really horrible to hold because these stick out a lot further, and it's just not nice, but don't use them very often. So what do you think? Would you prefer? Have you got both sets? Have you got a Parkside set and a Workzone set? I think Parkside did do a version of these, but I wouldn't get these again. I really wouldn't, just purely for the fact that they're just not very comfortable. They could have done a better job in construction with those. No doubt they'll last forever, but they won't get used much. These, on the other hand, nice, cheap, well-made set from Parkside. So are you a Parkside fanboy or a Workzone Aldi fanboy? Let me know in the comments. See you on the next one.